Have, what does it mean? Not just own, not just keep. A deeper world is hiding there, a connection we can see.
Is it you?
Like air,
Something is linked to me.
something is living inside my world. I have a car, I have a car. A car is linked with me. Not only owning something, it's a connection that I see. I have a headache, I have a cold, I have a fever too. A state is connected to me now. That is what have can do. I have an idea, a thought in my mind, a question waiting there. I have a question, I have a dream, an invisible link we share. I have a friend in Korea, I have 2 children too. People are not things we own, they are relationships true.
Have is 유계
Connection inside,
Something comes close.
and stays by my side.
Object, feeling, experience, event.
Everything connected is what it meant.
Have is 유계
Remember the way
Past and present.
can meet today, not just have, not just hold. A living connection, a story told. I had a great time, I felt so alive. A happy memory stays. I had a meeting yesterday, an event from the past remains. I have breakfast every morning, I have lunch and dinner too. I have a drink, I have a shower, things that I experience and do. I have a problem, something is there, a challenge connected to me. I have to go now, I have to move, a duty is linked to me. Not a possession, not a thing, but a relationship we find. Have connects the outer world with the body and the mind. I have finished my work. The past is linked with now. A completed action remains with me. That is the perfect vow. I have been to Japan, a journey lives inside.
I have lost my key.
The result is by my side.
The past is not forgotten.
It reaches the present day,
Have connects the moment.
keeps the meaning stay. I had my car repaired, a repair event came true. I connected an action to something I wanted to do.
I've got a new phone.
A new thing came to me.
Get brings the object closer.
Have keeps the connection free.
Have is 유계
The bridge of life, connecting joy and connecting strife.
Things and people
Thoughts and time,
all become connected lines.
I have a car,
I have a headache.
I have an idea,
I have a friend.
I have 2 children,
I had a great time.
I had a meeting,
I have breakfast.
I have a problem,
I have to go.
I have finished my work,
I have been to Japan.
I have lost my key,
Had my car repaired.
I've got a new phone. All these meanings,
One by one,
show the secret I've had.
under the sun,
A connection I possess.
a world that stays with me.
Be is existence
Have this connection
between the world,
and me.
a bridge of recognition.
Now we understand.
The English verb have is the link that holds our world